Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah everyone. Welcome to this video on Eid al-Fitr. Today we will explore the significance, traditions and celebrations of this blessed occasion. Let's begin. What is Eid al-Fitr? Eid al-Fitr, also known as the festival of breaking the fast, marks the end of Ramadan. It is a time of joy, gratitude and unity, celebrated by Muslims around the world. Eid al-Fitr is more than just a celebration. It is a moment to thank Allah for the strength to complete Ramadan, to strengthen bonds with family and friends, and to fulfill our duty of helping those in need. Muslims begin their Eid celebrations with a special prayer, followed by warm greetings, gift giving, and sharing delicious meals with loved ones. It's a day of happiness and togetherness. The night before Eid, also known as Chaand Raat, is filled with excitement. Families go shopping, apply beautiful henna designs, and prepare for the big day ahead. On the morning of Eid, Muslims perform a special prayer in large gatherings, asking for Allah's blessings. The day begins with the greeting Eid Mubarak, meaning blessed Eid. Food plays a big role in Eid celebrations. Families prepare delicious dishes like sheer khorma, samosas, biryani, and many other festive treats to enjoy together. One of the most important aspects of Eid is giving. Before the prayer, Muslims give Zakat al-Fitr, a charity to help the less fortunate, ensuring everyone can celebrate this special day. Eid is celebrated in different ways across the world, from grand feasts in the Middle East to colorful parades in Indonesia. Each culture brings its own unique touch to this joyous festival. Thank you for watching. May this Eid bring you happiness, peace and countless blessings. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. Assalamu alaikum.